Hi there. My name is Arthur Infantino, and I am teaching English language arts for 7th grade self-contained virtually this year. And so we meet at 9:15 to 9:55 a.m. every day. There's also an RTI time on Tuesday if the kids need to come see me on Tuesdays. So I'm here on Tuesdays if you need to come see me on Tuesdays. So the course requirements, remember, are in the Microsoft team area under files. Again, they're in Microsoft team under files. If you click on the folder there, you'll get to the course requirements. So the weekly work, what we do is we primarily focus on vocabulary. We are going to incorporate iReady, and we'll incorporate some other reading resources too that the kids can do. How's your child get help? I'm here for RTI time Tuesdays 2 o'clock to 3:45. Again, I'm here on Tuesdays 2 o'clock to 3:45 for help if they need it. In terms of grades, please check PowerSchool. Remember, please check PowerSchool for grades. If there's a 0 there, that means your child probably did not do it. Your child probably did not finish the assignment. So if it's there, it needs to be finished. Attendance is taken virtually through PowerSchool. Again, there's a virtual code that we use, the VTP code. So when you see that in PowerSchool, that's what I use for attendance. If you have tech issues, I would call the school and ask Ms. Baser for help. Again, call the school and ask Ms. Baser for help. And something positive, I believe the virtual format is the safest format for your kids. Again, it's safe. Everyone's protected. They're limited to less exposure, so everybody's safe. And that's a great thing, that everybody's safe. So again, if you need me, again, you could text or call me, and I'm available if you need help. All right, thank you so much for listening to my presentation. Thanks. Bye.